Hey there, adventure seekers. Ever feel like you're missing out on a real Nova Scotia experience? Stuck following the same old tourist script? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if there was a better way?
There absolutely is. Introducing our Nova Scotia Explored, Explore Like a Local project. A whole new way to experience the magic of this incredible province. And guess what? It's a quarterly plan, so we'll keep the adventures coming. We're kicking things off with Nova Scotia as a whole this time, but get ready to delve deeper into each region individually in the future. For this first adventure, we're giving an overview of the whole province of Nova Scotia. Forget just the boring tours and overpriced lobster rolls. We're talking hidden gems, quirky adventures, and uncovering some of the secrets that even locals love. And hey, that includes checking out those iconic spots, but with a local twist. Think exploring charming villages, discovering unique museums, and savoring delicious local cuisines at farmers markets. This just isn't sightseeing, it's an adventure. We're kicking things off with a series of free blog posts and videos packed with insider tips and local knowledge. Plus, get ready for some seriously fun gamified challenges. We're talking scavenger hunts, trivia quizzes, and more, all designed to make your exploration interactive and engaging. Complete challenges, collect points, and unlock exclusive Nova Scotia Explored postcards. These aren't just digital souvenirs, they're physical mementos of your adventures. A way to remember the hidden gems you discovered and the memories you made. Get ready for laughs, adventure, and maybe even a little friendly competition. The crown jewel of this project is our Nova Scotia Explore Like a Local ebook. This comprehensive guide dives deep into Nova Scotia with regional breakdowns and all the tools you need to craft your own unique adventure. We won't overwhelm you with set itineraries, focusing instead on making the exploration fun and interactive with the games. But this is just the beginning. This is a quarterly plan, so get ready to explore even deeper in the future. Each quarter, we'll be diving into a specific Nova Scotia region, offering even more insider tips, hidden gems, and exciting challenges. The best part? You decide the price. Our ebook is available on a pay-what-you-want basis, so you get incredible value and we get to keep creating awesome content for you. Don't miss out on the adventure. Sign up for your email reminder today and be the first notified when the ebook is available to download.